So when you stay here, the man who doesn't even name the island after him.
One by one? Yeah.
This, you know, this slave.
Before,
Slave people. Slave people in Africa. So they came with beads, they came with beans. So I think when they were freed, we are told they poured this thing in the sea to celebrate their freedom. So
Now freedom, you go where? From here to Africa.
no. They were free to live free because if you're a slave, you're a common property.
But then you cannot go back.
Yeah, they never went back. But now people who are here in station, they think they go back.
They?
They think it is back.
Yeah.